Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Android 13. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, find the app called Google Classroom. Install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it, grant its access, click on Get Started, choose the account, then on this plus button, join the class. Here enter class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on the Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.